Auto-generated caption on Canva. Let's get social. Click on the Social Media tab. Select any of the mobile templates. Drop or upload the video you want to caption. Here is one I made earlier. Click on the Text tab. Scroll down to Captions. Go to Generate Captions, AI putting letters and words together. Once it's done, click here to reveal the generated text. Play your clip and make sure the generated caption matches up.
I went viral on YouTube.
If you need to edit, just double-click on each line. You can change the font style, size, and color like you would a normal text. When you change the font and size, make sure to apply to all unless you want to edit each individually. You can also add some animations to the text. Keep in mind the animation will not apply to all text. Go be awesome and have fun.